Yeah, good evening, Aaron. So it's been a lengthy process to even get to this point for Measure Z. And the next phase is deciding how and why some oil and gas companies could actually be exempt from the new law.
Oil companies should be responsible for cleaning up their mess. And we're not trying to shut them down. We want them to clean up their mess.
Strong words from Beverly Bean, who's preparing a statement to read before the Monterey County Board of Supervisors. The board is holding a public workshop Tuesday to once again tackle Measure Z, which limits oil and gas operations in Monterey County. When voters approved Measure Z in November, it allowed for oil and gas property owners to seek exemption from those restrictions. It's how they'll go about doing that still needs to be determined.
If any landowner or operator believes that Measure Z constitutes a taking of their property unconstitutionally in a violation of the Constitution, then Measure Z exempts that property owner from Measure Z, and we have to have a process for doing that.
Aera Energy, which accounts for nearly a quarter of the state's oil production, says the restrictions of Measure Z would mean money and jobs down the drain.
There are some other procedures in there that do shut our business down, and that's where the unconstitutional taking comes into place. And the protection of vested rights is so important. Hundreds of jobs are at stake for the people that work in our fields, and millions of dollars in revenues associated with the oil production in the county.
Environmental group Protect Monterey County says they simply want the exemption process to be as transparent as possible, and they want to be involved.
This is the government's business, and it should be done in public. We should have public notification. Oil companies applying for exemption should be part of the public record, accessible to anyone who's interested.
This is a measure that was adopted by the voters of Monterey County, so their input is going to be critical to making sure that it's something that everybody believes is fair.
Now, Monterey County is also tied up in a number of lawsuits from oil and gas companies who want to stop Measure Z altogether. And the thing is, for the lawsuits to move forward, the companies need to begin applying for these exemptions. Dan and Aaron.
All right, thank you. The public workshop on Measure Z exemption process is tomorrow at 1:30 in the Board of Supervisors chambers.